Let's have a closer view of this product in detail. Here's a rustic magazine mail table with a slim design for small spaces. In this video, I'll be showing the closer details of this product along with features and also what helped me. The cloth storage bag is great for books, magazines, mail, etc. It's almost 22 inches high and 7 inches wide. Here I'm pointing out the screws for easy installation. For height reference, you can use the height of my knees. The matte black frame is rust resistant, which is great for outdoors. It's lightweight and it also has adjustable protective feet. Here I'm showing you more screws on the bottom for installation. Here's what's helped me. The instructions were very simple, provided they labeled all the parts for easy installation. What else helps me is it keeps me organized with my books, magazines, mail, etc. Last is that the tabletop is easy to clean, it's waterproof, and scratch resistant. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.